Good afternoon, students. Am I audible?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. We'll wait for 2-3 minutes till other students join, and then we'll start with the live quiz. Okay. Right now, 13 students are there. Inform everyone to join as soon as possible. Today we are going to conduct a live quiz. Okay, by using Kahoot platform. Exactly at 2:15, we'll begin the quiz. At 2:05, I'll share the link. Okay, I'll share the pin. There you have to write down your nickname. So for nickname, everybody has to write their name and roll number. Okay, you can write, for example, Kanchan. Kanchan will write Kanchan 57. Okay, or you can write Kanchan or your entire roll number, that is 207057. Okay, so this will be your nickname. If you are going to use any other name, I am not going to allow you. Okay, because I am going to keep the record for your assessment also. So everybody has to use their name and roll number. If somebody is facing problem, they can use their surname and roll number. For example, Shweta Harare. So Shweta can write Harare 207003. Okay. First try to log in by using your name and roll number. Everybody has understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Good, good. Now I'll share the screen.
ए थांब थोड थोडं देतो म्हणत जरा काय देत थांब ना जरा देतो म्हणतो ना तुला काय देत
Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you. So on behalf of CWIT NTC department, I would like to welcome you all for this SDC quiz. We are conducting this SDC live quiz under our SDC student chapter. Okay, so I'll give you introduction for this live quiz. We are going to conduct this SDC live quiz using a Kahoot platform. So for this, I'll share you the pin for the quiz, and for that, I'll share you the link also. So what you are going to do, you are going to read the question. So before starting the quiz, you all have to open the Kahoot Eat link. I'll share the link in chat box. Open that link in a different browser. Okay, you can use Chrome, Opera, whatever browser available in your phone. Open the link in browser. There you have to write down your nickname. For nickname, you have to use your name and roll number. If you are facing any problem, then use surname and name. Surname and roll number. Roll number should be there. You can write roll number with your name or roll number with your surname. Okay. And then write down the pin and then start the quiz. Okay. Click on start. Then I'll get the names on my screen. Those who are enter their nickname and pin. And then I'll start the quiz. I'm going to remove the student, those who are going to use different name. Everybody has to use their own name and roll number. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Can you see the screen, students?
No. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now everyone open the browser open the browser and type this link www.kahoot.it and then enter the game pin. Shravani. Meghna, write your roll number also. I am removing this Shravani. Vedant also. Vedant, write your roll number. See, Abhishek is writing. Abhishek is 2, Sahil 50. So, write like this. Vedant, I am removing you. Meghna also. You should write your name and roll number. Dear students, inform your friends, join the live quiz as soon as possible.
Hello, ma'am. Screen is not visible.
Yes, tell me.
Screen is not visible.
Yes, ma'am, not
Yes,
visible.
it's visible. It's visible. I am attending the same from my phone also. So on my phone, I am getting the screen.
Hello, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes,
Screen is
everybody is
not
facing same
visible.
problem.
Actually,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
this
when
yes,
we did
ma'am.
last time,
Yes,
Not
ma'am.
visible, ma'am.
So, Sam, now check it out again.
Ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I can't open link.
But on the screen, you can see 18 students, 19 students. Still count is running.
Ma'am,
Count is
direct.
incrementing. Open the browser. Open the browser. Open the browser and type this www.kahoot. Type www.kahoot.it and then write down this game pin and write your nickname as your name and roll number, like this, Srushti and your roll number. Or you can write like this, Gopal 46 or Sahil 15, Shubham 01. Okay. Last 2 digit also
ma'am,
you can write. Yes, tell me.
मॅम माझं डबल अकाउंट झाले त्यात.
डबल अकाउंट झालाय तो कुठला कट करू सांग.
मॅम पूर्ण रोल नंबर टाकलेले 207046 वाला. गोपाल 207046.
46. हा गोपाळ. गोपाळ एक
Ma'am,
सेकंड
can't
दुसरं.
open.
Wait. I can see only Gopal 46 over here.
ओके मॅम.
Where is other Gopal? That account is not here.
Ma'am, open नाही होते.
Yes, tell.
Browser वर नाही होत.
Then try to use another phone or do one thing, close all other tabs. See, 25 students have successfully logged in. Gopal, only one name is there. Sagar Mishra, use your roll number also. Now 25 students are there. I am giving you 3 minutes. Is 2:17. Exactly at 2:20, I'll start the quiz. Today we are going to conduct 2 live quiz, one on chapter number 1 and second on chapter number 2. Inform your friends to join the live quiz as soon as possible. Only 2 minutes are there. After 2 minutes, at 2:20, I am going to begin with the quiz.
Ma'am. Hello ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
ट्राय करते बट मॅम ते ओपन नाही होते आणि माझं नेम पण तिथे टाइप नाही होते.
Means there is a problem at your network side. The site is working fine. See here, 25 students has logged in, so site is working properly. There is an issue at your side. There is an issue with your network. Try again. Only 1 minute is remaining. After 1 minute, I am going to start the quiz. And the list of participants I am going to submit to HOD sir. So inform your friends to join the live quiz as soon as possible. Now we are going to start the quiz. Okay. All the best students. Now you can read the question on our MS Team, and on the Kahoot screen on the your browser platform you will get 4 colors. Okay, only 4 colors will be there. You have to read the question and multiple choice answer here in MS Teams, and you have to answer the question on the browser by selecting proper color. Okay, have you understood this? On this MS Teams you will get a question and multiple choice options. So you have to read the question and multiple choice option here on MS Team, and you have to answer the question on browser. Yes, have you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good, very good. Now we'll begin with the quiz. All the best students. Only 5 student has given the correct answer. Oh, no worries. Try to give your best performance for next question. All the best. Yes, correct. A non-conducting diode occurs when it's a reverse bias. Very good. 13 student has given the correct answer. Very good. Give your best for next question.
Ma'am, some network issue in my side.
Okay, don't worry. We have seen the advantage of Zener diode is as a regulator, and it works as a regulator only in reverse bias condition. So Zener diode are usually reverse biased. So correct answer is this, reverse bias. Well done, these 10 students. All the best for next. Yes, that was LED. The arrowheads are photo arrows. Light is emitting from the diode. So that is light emitting diode. All the best for next. Correct answer is to pass only in a one direction. Diode is a unidirectional device. We have already seen it's a unidirectional device. That's why current flows in a one direction only. We give your best for next question. Correct. It's a 0.7 volt for silicon. Good. All the best for next. Yes. That was not a Zener diode. Right. Give your best. Be ready. Yes. A was a Zener diode. Right. Maximum student has answered the correct question. Now we'll see the scoreboard. Okay. All the best. Very good, students. Very good, Venus. Drishti stood first. Then second is Shubham. And third is Shalvi. Very good. Congratulations, Drishti, Shubham, and Shalvi. Okay. Now we are going to conduct one more live quiz on chapter number 2. All the best for the same. And now this time we'll see. We'll get the same winners or different winners. Okay. All the best for others also. Now give your best. Those who are facing problem, those who are not getting options, then there is a network issue at their side. Student, try to sit at a place where you are getting a full range. Okay. Now I'll share the screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now it's 2:31. We'll begin the quiz at 2:33. I'll give you 2 minutes to log in for this Kahoot game. We'll begin the game at 2:32. We'll start the game at 2:33. We'll wait for 2 minutes. Only 1 minute is remaining. The 1 minute, we'll start the SDC live quiz 2. Now we'll begin with the quiz. All the best, students. Very good. Maximum student has answered the correct question. Rectifier converts AC to pulsating DC. Right. Next question on your screen. Give your best. Output of full wave rectifier. Observe the waveform graph carefully, students. Only 3 students has answered correctly. Okay, now read the question and observe the answer. Observe the diagram graph carefully and then answer. Okay. All the best for next. Very good. Maximum student has answered the question. Diode is used as a rectifier to convert AC into pulsating DC. Now give your best for next question. You will get it on your screen. That diode was connected in reverse bias. When such kind of question asked, you should always check the polarity. Okay. Now next question on your screen. Very good. Yes, in bridge type rectifier, 4 diodes are there. Very good, students. Now next question on your screen. All the best. Yes, that's true. Half wave rectifier uses one diode. But why student had selected two diodes? Two diodes are there in center tap rectifier. So you have to revise the chapter 2 again. Okay, those who are giving wrong answer, they have not prepared it fully. Okay, now next question on your screen. Only 6 students have given the correct answer. The average is Vm by pi and the RMS is Vm by 2 for half wave rectifier. So always read the question carefully. All the best for next question. Very good. That was full wave rectifier. Now, maximum student has given the correct answer. Now we'll see the next question. All the best. The question is for full wave rectifier. So average voltage is 2 Vm by pi and RMS is Vm by root 2. Read the question carefully. Give your best for next. Yes, disadvantage is difficult to locate center tap and more PIV, peak inverse voltage. Next question on your screen. Well done, students. Now maximum student has answered the correct question. Very good. Keep it up. Yes, correct answer is 100. Center tap rectifier, it's a full wave. So output is 2 into F in. Very good, students. Next question on your screen. Yes. Here you can see filter, which component is used as a filter. So we have studied this, na? In filter we have used only capacitor and inductor. So here capacitor is there. Only 10 student has answered correctly. Do not get confused. We have not yet started transistor. And transistor, the filter application is not of transistor. Transistor are used as a switch and amplifier. For filtering, we are going to use capacitor and inductor only. Revise the chapter number 2 again. Now, give your best for next question. Read the question carefully and then answer. Yes. Very good. Now keep it up, students. Inductor allows DC and blocks AC. Very good. Now give your best for next question. It's a pi filter. CLC. You have to observe the diagram carefully. There was C, L and C. CLC is nothing but a pi filter. Now give your best for next. Only 4 questions are remaining. Yes, very good, student. That's the spirit. You should read it very carefully and answer also. Very nice. Maximum student has given the correct answer. All the best for next. Yes, Zener diode will be placed in reverse bias, means we are going to use as a voltage regulator. Very good. You are going good, students. Now only 2 questions are remaining. All the best. Yes, Zener diode is a heart of regulator. We have seen Zener diode is used to maintain constant voltage, and that's why it is used as a regulator. So it is the heart of regulator. Diode is PN junction diode is a heart of rectifier. Rectifier, we are going to use PN junction diode, but regulator, Zener diode is used. Okay, so do not get confused. One last question. So be ready and give your best, students. Next question. Now on your screen. All the best. The last question, you have to read the question carefully. It's a not. This statement is not true for Zener diode. Okay, so only few student has read the question carefully. Only 9 student has read the question carefully and they answer correctly. Zener diode allows current as a flow, allows current in positive direction and negative also, in forward and reverse direction. And that's why it's not true. It allows current in forward direction. It also works in reverse direction. Rest of the statements are true, students. So whenever you are going to play quiz, you should read the question carefully and then answer the question. Okay, now we'll see the scoreboard. All the best. Again, Shalvi is at 3rd position. Now Arohi got the 2nd position. Now we'll see who is first. Shubham, very good. And we'll see who are the runner-ups. Shweta and Lavanya. Shweta and Lavanya are runner-ups. Very good. Shubham, Arohi and Shalvi. Well done. Nice performance. Very good, students. Yes, congratulations, winners. Congratulations. So I hope you all have enjoyed SDC live quiz. Today we have conducted 2 live quiz. one on chapter number 1 and second on chapter number 2. So how was it? Have you enjoyed?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Gaurav. Gopal, sorry. Thank you, Gopal. Yes, Omkar. Omkar has sent the emoji. He has given the thumbs up. Okay, Omkar. Omkar. And Sahil is saying yes. Omkar is also giving thumbs up. Very good. Yes. So instead of saying thumbs up, you should write in chat box now, or you should unmute and say something. Yes. Very good. So you all have enjoyed it. Next time also we'll have some different kind of quiz. Okay. Good. Well played, students. Yes. Gangotri and Sahil saying they have enjoyed the quiz. Very good. So those who have given wrong answer, they have to revise the things. Yes. Kanchan is also saying yes. Very good. Well done. Yes, Saurabh. Saurabh is also saying yes. Good. Very good, students. Now we'll, yes, somebody is also saying yes. Dipti. Dipti is also saying yes, ma'am. Very good. So next time also we'll see. Now next time we'll see who will get the number position 1, 2 and 3. Okay, I would like to see different winner next times. Okay, so those who are not able to get chance on this getting first position, second and third, they can try next time. Okay, there is always a next time, so think positive, stay positive and study hard. Okay, so we'll stop here. Well played, everyone. Congratulations, winners and participants also. Yes. Yes, Omkar is saying yes, ma'am. Very good. So we'll stop here. Bye, everyone. Stay healthy and study hard. Bye.